Hey there! Are you tired of your slow PC? Well, don't worry because I've got 10 tips to make it lightning fast. First off, clean up your hard drive by removing unnecessary files and programs. Next, optimize your startup to only load essential apps. Third, update your operating system and drivers to keep your PC running smoothly. Fourth, add more RAM to increase your computer's processing power. Fifth, declutter your desktop by organizing your files into folders. Sixth, run regular antivirus scans to get rid of any malware slowing you down. Seventh, disable unnecessary visual effects to free up resources. Eighth, upgrade your storage to a faster solid-state drive, SSD. Ninth, close unused background processes to maximize performance. And finally, regularly restart your PC to clear any temporary files. Follow these tips, and say goodbye to slow loading screens and hello to a lightning-fast PC.